We have our Starbucks in hand. We are feeling very
tired,
motivated.
I was going somewhere along the lines of like highfalutin, bougie. That's the word I'm looking for. Anyway, we're gonna go thrifting because that's just fun to do. You just never know what kind of treasures you're gonna find. Also, we have some upcoming room makeovers, and we're just gonna look for little budget-friendly pieces. Welcome along for the ride. Let's see what we find. Editing Shannon here with a spoiler alert. Our first stop, and it was intended to be our only stop at the filming of this intro, did not go very well. However, I did add a few clips of us shopping around, and I will include what we got for a haul, but it was kind of a flop. So we decided to go somewhere else. That's where I found a lot of good stuff. So I hope you'll stick through this first store with me, and then we'll get to the good stuff.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Wouldn't you want to drink some water? Come on over to my house. Well, Goodwill was a major bust.
Mommy?
So we are going to Big Lots. That's another place you can go to find cool treasures. Oftentimes, if there's something particular I'm looking for that aren't in a big box store, I can go there and sometimes find it. We did find some clothes and stuff for the kids and Steven at Goodwill. We will show you what we got from there, but I was really disappointed in our Goodwill.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first.
So far, I found these little deck lights, solar powered, for $14 for 4 of them. So I think I'm gonna have Steven set those up on our fence line because it gets so dark in our backyard, and I think the dogs would appreciate that.
Rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry.
What's your favorite Rio?
Little school section.
Rio.
I am really loving this. How cute is that? It even flickers like a little candle. $30.
We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe and right.
Big Lots bringing in the fall decor. I'm loving this color scheme.
Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
I have told myself that I'm going to hold off on any kind of decorations until I get to a better place on the decluttering journey. Because right now, I don't know where I would put stuff, and I feel like I would just overwhelm myself by bringing in more stuff. So as a gift to myself, we're going to purge, and then next year, reward ourselves with decorations. Or maybe when things start going on clearance, we'll start that reward process this year, even, depending on how good we do.
The things I love, be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I...
Steven, look at this for the project I was telling you about in the closet. What do you think? Do you think it would work?
Yeah. Which one? This one? With the smaller one?
They're the same.
Yeah, but what would you do with the top ones? I meant over these.
Oh, okay. All right, my bad.
Jerk. Did you get that? You're a big jerk.
I always like to check out the cleaning aisle, see what cool new gadgets there are. I have like a fancy Norex one of these. And I did have a party that I earned it, but it's only $5.50 here. And Mr. Clean's a good brand, right? And I've also seen these for like cleaning your shower and your bathtub, and it's like an extended handle. I've been tempted to get one of those.
The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love, be one of the things I love.
I've always wanted to be this person that organizes their underwear and sock drawer. Oh, this is cool. It's like a divider. I used to separate the girls' clothes for them, and that would have really come in handy. Now I throw it all in a basket and they separate it themselves. I really love these drying mats that have the little plate holders in them. I bought one of these the last time I was here. I've used it one time, but I had been looking for one of these for like a year to chop my onions for me because I hate chopping onions. I searched high and low, and all along you can find them here at Big Lots.
Loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
If you didn't notice from my kitchen declutter video, I'm kind of a sucker for kitchen gadgets.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
You put the ice on the bottom, and it's a veggie tray. I have something similar from Tupperware, but it's huge. It doesn't fit in the fridge very well. So it's kind of complicated. You have to kind of set it up and then break it down every time. I feel like that would fit really well in the refrigerator, and you can leave it out on the counter and not feel bad about the ranch dressing going bad. But it's $25. And I already have something similar, so that one's staying here.
Loud, don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deep.
I'd like to know where the term Lazy Susan originated from. Anyone know the origin story for that?
Out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
So
Love a
soft.
little louder. Love a little louder.
Grace's room makeover that's coming up. She wants an ocean theme.
That I want a modern ocean room, just so when I grow older, it won't be kiddish.
Right, we want an ocean theme that will grow with us. Got a lot of good options, but
That's why we're going.
not really ocean.
I think
I don't sense any ocean vibes. Yeah, we found a duvet set on Amazon.
Oh, look, Mom.
It's a little.
And it comes with little
What?
Look at that.
This could be perfect.
And look, and like if I like don't like the ocean theme anymore, I this is still like not ocean, so it's perfect still.
You're so right. But it's twin. Your bed is a queen.
Could get it for me. So get it for me. Do you have it in a queen?
Well, let me take a video of it and see if I can't find more online. 8 piece for $40. That is a good
Like
deal.
it comes with a little turtle pillow. This is the kind of bedding I want for my room.
All right, we'll keep our eye out. Keep your eye out for a bigger option.
drives our dog. Like every time we like let her in to put her in her kennel, she always jumps to one spot in the couch and then she'll stay curled up. And every time you pick her up, she'll growl at you. But this is perfect to reserve the spot for her.
Grace, you're the only
She has
one
her
that
own
growls
spot
at
on the
her.
couch.
You,
So this is
Eric, and
perfect.
Dad are the only people that growl.
I'm not dreaming, tell me I'm the only one. I've been in the cold. I've been digging gold. I've been crying out, been lying about everything but now. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down, spin me around and around.
Well, Big Lots definitely made up for Goodwill by like a whole $100 bill.
What?
That rhymed.
$100 bill?
Sorry, Steven.
That's what happens when you go to the van early, huh?
So I will show you what all we got. I'm really excited about what I got there. One thing in particular that's going to solve a major organization issue I've had in our closet. I will be showing you that haul up here next. I had so much fun shopping with you guys yesterday. It's kind of behind the scenes of what I do when I'm planning a budget-friendly room makeover or a, you know, declutter and organize, those types of videos. It's a little peek behind the scenes because there is a little bit. I do try and shop my house for the most part, but there is a little bit of project planning that goes on behind the scenes. So let's jump in and see what we got. We will start with Goodwill. All right. So overall, Goodwill was a bust. It was borderline gross. It's not normally like that. But we did end up finding some good clothing finds for the girls, so we'll just buzz through those real quick. First up, we've got a Gap sweatshirt for Miss Ella. A Stitch sweatshirt for Grace. They love Stitch right now. I don't know why. I don't think we've ever seen the movie.
Are you kidding me? That's like one of the greatest.
We've seen it. It's the most underestimated movie ever.
Underrated.
I thought this was super cute. A little top for Grace. Then we got a cute dress for Ella. It's kind of asymmetrical with a high-low and like a faux leather front. She has kind of like a edgy style. This cute little Old Navy dress. I'm pretty sure I've purchased one of these from Old Navy for Grace, just a different pattern, and it was like $8 or something. This was only $3.50. Score. Then for my handsome man, he found himself a button-up shirt for church. That's Goodwill. So we're gonna toss those into the laundry. Now on to our Big Lots haul where I dropped some coin on stuff I needed and also did not need.
What'd you say?
First, we've got our 2-pack deodorant. Next up, we have this ginormous organizer. Look how tall this thing is. You will be seeing that in an upcoming closet declutter and organize video. I'm pretty sure it's the next video after this one. O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet. This is my go-to product for dry, cracked feet. Not sponsored. The next item I was so excited about. I have been eyeing them on Amazon. They are little deck lights. You can put them up on a fence post. They're solar powered. They were $14 originally priced, and they were 20% off on top of that. So they came out to like $11 and some change. So I got 2 of those to go on our fence posts in the backyard. This I got for my kids, and they're gonna be so excited.
BTW.
Should I call them in here and surprise them? Okay. On my Big Lots journey, I stumbled upon something that I think you guys will appreciate. It's taking a step up from the plastic bag and hand technique. You wanna know what it is? your brand new pooper scooper.
I'm out of here.
This is one of their extra chores that I actually pay money for because I know it's a dirty job. And so don't let them fool you. They're not a tortured two. In fact, you know what? Eric would probably really enjoy this. Maybe we'll pass it on to Eric's.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that it? That's not it. Let me make sure. And last but not least, the newest addition to my cleaning gadget toolbox, my tub and tile scrubber. This is adjustable and like you can just push and move. You can push it up against the wall and move it. Cool, right? I'm always looking for ways to make my job easier. So let's see how far this thing extends.
I don't know why you're making my job easier by making
28 inches. Huh. Well, apparently that's it. You get this or this. That's probably more than enough anyway. Keep your eye out in future cleaning videos. And that concludes this shop with me / haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here and you like cleaning decluttering videos, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you a part of this journey. Leave me a comment down below. I love hearing what you guys have to say. Go say something kind to yourself, and we will see you in the next one.